So we have the upward cross shell on level 2, and that's a very interesting piping practice. So what you see here is the plain shells would have been all facing to the right side, right? So we have this cross shell tilted at an angle. Okay, so it will be like starting from the top at 45 degrees and move down, and then you keep doing each of them separately. So this is closer to a rope, and it's just a cross between the rope and the plain shells. Okay, so we start the plain shell from the top, taper it, so this is happening at an angle, and start the next one sideways, which is next to it, taper the tail, start the next one, taper the tail. So have the head bulging up with a broader head. You have the tail, come down and taper. So start from the top and then go down at an angle. Squish to have a broader head. So all of that is exactly the same as you did, but we just have them at an angle. Let me just do one more row quickly. So we have the upward cross shell done. What you will do, make one row, take approval. Once that is done, do 3 rows and take approval. You would have done this piping practice, and see you on the next one.